Upgraded Pattern. In ZW3D 2016, both pattern and mirror commands have been divided into two individual commands. And some new options have been added to meet a greater variety of needs more effectively, such as the new Polygon pattern type, the fill pattern boundary, variable pattern, and associate copy. What is the difference between pattern geometry and the pattern feature? Pattern geometry will just copy the geometry to the pattern location without Boolean, but the pattern feature will redo the feature in the pattern location with Boolean. And there are some more differences. Refer to the table. In the new version, we add a new option, Associative Copy, to control the pattern instances, which may or may not associate with the original one. Firstly, we create an associate one. Thus, even though we insert a hole in the original part, the pattern 1 will keep the original result and not change. If we turn off the associative copy option, the pattern instances will have been created as a strict shape and cannot be redefined. So you should pay attention to which type you want. Let's go on to check the differences between pattern geometry and pattern feature. Firstly, we will pattern these faces with pattern geometry as an example. You will see that ZW3D only copies the faces to other locations without Boolean operations. Next, do pattern feature. Checking the results, you will find the pattern feature is now combined together with the original shape. One more difference is that the pattern feature can create variable patterns. Let's make a sample to demonstrate the two ways to create a variable pattern. The parameter list can create an increment pattern. You can select some dimension of the feature to create this pattern. Here we select the radius of the ball as a drive parameter and set the increment to 0.3 millimeters. This is the result. Parameter table will create a table to control the increment for each instance. The increment can be minus or plus. If you set different increments for each pattern feature, you will get the second type. In the new version, a new pattern mode, Polygon, has been provided. The Polygon pattern has two modes to create pattern instances. One is number per side, which means to specify the number of instances in each polygon side. Another is the pitch between instances. These two pictures show the difference between these two modes. Here we use Polygon pattern to make a cooling air outlet of a computer case. Select Polygon pattern. Select the small hole as a base and define the rotate center. Change the side number. Get the change from the preview. We will select pitch between instances to create the pattern hole. Now, set a suitable pitch value in second direction. Another new control parameter is boundary. We can use the face or curve as a boundary to control the instances to include or exclude. Here, we select a face to control the entire hole to be included in the face. Now, the cooling air outlet has been created.